Okay, figured out what the problem was. Didn't have enough memory on my video because I've got so many videos on there because I've been doing that 100 days of planning. And I had like almost an hour's worth of videos on there. Well, not even that. 30 minutes only, really. Well, I guess it almost was an hour. About 40 something minutes worth of video. But anyways, I've been sitting here and you just saw the video prior to this, which is just going to be a good example because this is a very short period of time. Look at these chemtrails. Look at, they've just freaking gotten thick. Look at this. They're just coming over like crazy. This is crazy. Look at them. There's just tons of them. Look at the cross. They put an X in the sky. Anyways, I'm in my car now because I couldn't seem to get my thing to work. And it was because I didn't have enough memory on my thing. So I'm thinking I can get out of the car now. It's not my battery. But anyways, I started to say earlier, when I realized that I wasn't even recording, this is the Eastern Mountain Range. This is going over to the coast off 299 in Northern California. Now, I'm in the middle of basically these two mountain ranges. That mountain range and Lassen Mountain Range over here. This is east. Both of these are about 45 minutes away from me. Now, the mountain range to the west, which is over here, get all my chemtrails in here as we're going around so we can see how just unbelievably thick they are. I hate to do this in my car because there's so much shit on my windows. I haven't washed my car in days. Anyways, that range right there, that goes over to the coast. It's about an hour if you were to go straight to the coast, maybe a little bit longer. But it's a very windy road. You can go about 35 to 50 tops on that road. So it takes 3 hours to get there from Redding. But if it was a straight shot, it would take you maybe a little over an hour. This mountain range, and this is south right here actually. Now this mountain range here is about an hour from me, and it's a straight shot. The road's just a straight road right up to Mount Lassen. That's the Mount Lassen mountain range. Anyways, my point is that these chemtrails expand as far as the eye can see to that mountain range, and as far as the eye can see, and you can see they're still coming over. They're just coming thick. There's another little guy right there. And you can see there are so many in the sky right now. If you were to count them, let's count them. You've got that you can just see their actual lines. And trust me, all of the haze you see in the sky right now is all from chemtrails early this morning. We're going to count every single one of the lines that you see in the sky. I'm going to start at the bottom of the horizon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, a new little guy coming over, which is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and you can see one that's going over right next to the thing, 21, past the brand new one that's just coming over, 22, 23, okay, and I'm not counting all the haze, those are just distinct lines, 23 lines in the sky, and I have not been sitting here for more than 30 minutes. Okay? Now you tell me something ain't wrong with that. 30 minutes and there is 23 lines in the sky. And I guarantee you, if I was to sit here and have filmed this from the very start of it, there would probably be about 50 lines in the sky right now within the last hour and 20 minutes. So anyways, my point was that you can tell that they're just doing the land. They're not going over the ocean over there. They're doing it over the land. It's in Eureka, they're not doing it over the ocean. You only see it over the land. Now, Eureka is right on the coast. Now, I've lived here most of my life, for 47 years. And our skies have always been just crystal clear. We have beautiful, beautiful weather up here. Our mountains, you can see as far. You see that cloudiness in the back? The only time those mountains ever looked like that is when we had major fires. And even then, within a short time, the smoke was taken away and everything was beautiful, clear, and pristine. We don't have industrial agriculture. We don't have industrial up here, hardly at all. Very, very little industrial up here. So we don't have smog. We don't have anything. We don't even have fog. Okay? It's a rarity you see fog around here, except for early in the morning on the rivers or on the mountains. And look at this. This is just crazy. This is just total craziness. Look at the lines in the sky. This is just striped. It's frickin' pinstriped. Look at this. There's not an inch of it that's not being covered. Every inch of it. I should have filmed yesterday's, but I didn't have time. I was too busy doing other things. Alright, this is a 7-minute video already. Anyways, one more for chemtrails, or aerosol spraying is what they call it, geoengineering, climate control. This is all designed to reflect the sun away. Now you tell me that sun is too hot for us and they're like protecting us. That's not going to happen. It's not happening. They're not protecting the earth. If anything, they are lessening the sunlight getting to the earth, which is causing all kinds of things. Think about it on all levels. As the plants grow, photosynthesis. It's slowing down photosynthesis. There's no question about it. Less sun, less photosynthesis. Less sun, less evaporation of water. That may have a lot to do with the reason why we're not getting the rain, because you're having less evaporation. And so it's not going into the stratosphere and coming back down. You think about it. Your trees, all those trees over there, no one waters those trees on those hills. Okay? They have plenty of water. They take it right out of the ground. And then it goes right back into the atmosphere. Anyways. Another day of strong chemtrails. It is April 8th, 2014. Sayonara.